What's up, Sneaker Nation? This is your boy John. Thanks for tuning in. I'm super excited about this episode. Just finished up an episode on the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. Hope you guys viewed that. And if you didn't, go check it out. Please leave a comment. Please share it. And of course, subscribe to that red button right down there and follow me. Appreciate the love once again. But let's get right to it, because when I saw this box get dropped off, first of all, Nike, if you're watching, these Nike logos is basically saying steal me when you leave it on my porch. So might want to rethink that. Look how big this box is. This is huge. So these are the, I'm not going to ruin the surprise, so let's open it up, okay? We're going to do unboxing here. Alright. Huge box. Okay. Authenticity. I see. Wow. Woo-wee. Look at this. This might take two episodes here. So Nike Adapt. I'll show you the box. You can see it here. We got some sun shining coming in here. Now I'm going to take this cover off. Nice little cover. And wow. This is sick. There's the SKU. I don't even know how to open this thing. Here we go. Okay. Wow, that took a mission. Comes in a wicked box here. And here we go. The Adepts. This is one funky shoe. Now I heard the fit is really great, but let me give you a close up. Look at that. Lights up, and it is, if you don't know, it is remotely controlled for the comfort. Looks like a prime knit on top. There's a shoehorn in here. Nice shoehorns, by the way. Insoles. Your bottoms. The top is like a prime knit, but there's a very big cushion on the tongue area. I'm pretty sure that's where the compression is going to go. And then your ankles are supported really hard and really good. So actually, not a bad looking shoe at all. I think I'm gonna rock these. Nike, if you're watching, you want to send me another one, I'd be grateful. Size 10. This is a size 9.5. Um, and then it comes with, let me put this on the side here. Wow, that's so much packaging. It's an Adept charger. So you put the sneakers on top, and then here's the wiring. It's almost like an iPad. You plug it in. And I don't want to open the remote, but basically you charge it, I guess, when you're not using it. And I want to give you a first look at them. Not a bad looking sneaker at all. Again, in the photos, they didn't look attractive, but in hand, having them, it's really well made. And I can definitely see why it's for basketball, but you know, it could be used for a lot of different situations. I mean, I could definitely see a doctor or someone who's on their feet all day long, nurses, definitely rocking these, you know, with their scrubs, because um, I heard that these are super comfortable. And so don't have time to try them on, but I wanted to, again, give you guys a first look in hand, because I know from the websites to actually having them in hand is two totally different things. But here we go. It's actually, I would recommend it. Yeah, nicely done. I like it. I like it a lot. So there you go. It's your Adept BB is what they call them. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm grateful for the love and the support. Please subscribe. Please share. Please show some more love. I'm so grateful. And if any stores out there watching, you want to send me some kicks to review, I'm here for you. The Sneaker King. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Blessings. Much love.